Greetings and welcome to my channel. Before we begin, please go ahead and click the like, subscribe, and notification bell. 10 home remedies for gum diseases. Are you suffering from unhealthy gums? Well, we're here to help you out. Get rid of gum diseases, inflammation, pain, and much more with simple home remedies. Say goodbye to swollen, inflamed gums that might be a sign of bacteria. So let's encounter the 10 best home remedies for gum diseases. Make sure you spread the word by sharing this video, comment, and like it right away. Green tea. Green tea contains high measures of cell reinforcements that might assist with diminishing aggravation. Green tea can assist with neutralizing the resistant framework's provocation reaction to microbes in the mouth. This decreased irritation diminishes harm to the gums and supporting jawbone. The polyphenols can likewise confine the development of microbes that lead to gum irritation. Drinking green tea might help well-being, and it's an option in contrast to espresso that many individuals appreciate. Consider adding several servings consistently to your eating regimen, yet be cautious assuming that you're delicate to caffeine. Some green tea contains around 28 milligrams of caffeine, contrasted with 96 milligrams in some coffee. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, a gentle disinfectant, is much of the time supportive in the counteraction of skin diseases, from minor cuts and scratches. Rinsing with hydrogen peroxide may likewise assist with easing minor mouth aggravations and killing microorganisms that could prompt gum sickness. Hydrogen peroxide can be bought in a 3% arrangement at the drugstore and weakened with half water. Consider utilizing weakened hydrogen peroxide in a water flosser. These oral irrigators send a flood of water around the teeth and under the gums, which helps eliminate and kill destructive microscopic organisms. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has a long history of treating scratches and consumption on the skin. However, it's known to be helpful in the mouth as well. Analysts show that aloe vera was similarly just about as successful as 2 economically toothpaste as lessening sickness-causing bacteria. Aloe vera has additionally been displayed to help recuperate after gum aid medical procedure. Application with gel might bring about better introductory recuperating and diminish uneasiness. On the off chance that your gums are sore or enlarged, you might see help with aloe vera. There are more than 300 types of the plant. However, a couple of them are utilized restoratively. It's essential to utilize the right sort and ensure it's 100% unadulterated. If you're utilizing a flush, wash for 30 seconds, brush, and spit. You may likewise straightforwardly apply a gel and delicately rub around the gums. Turmeric paste. Turmeric is a zest generally utilized in curries, yet research has shown that it's fit for diminishing irritation all through the body. Also, it seems to have cancer prevention agents and antimicrobial properties. Turmeric can be utilized in more ways than one for well-being and dietary advantages. Adding the zest to food permits it to work with different supplements. Oral enhancements give a consistent sum to the body, yet ensure you utilize a profoundly absorbable structure for the greatest advantage. Sage mouthwash. A few sort of mouthwashes contain high measures of liquor and may try and dry the mouth out and permit more bacterial plaque to frame. Yet, a wash that contains sage can quiet kindled gums. Day-to-day washing with a wise mouthwash can diminish the microbes that cause dental plaque. You can make your wise wash at home. Add 2 tablespoons of new savvy or 1 teaspoon of dried sage to a cup or 2 of bubbling water. Allow it to stew on low for around 10 minutes before stressing it. You can store it in a container and flush it with a limited quantity 2 times a day for 30 seconds. Saltwater. Saltwater is a characteristic sanitizer that can wipe out microbes that cause gum infections and assist with mending kindled mouth tissue. Salt makes liquids get away from the expanding. If you really want a gum ulcer home cure, warm salt water is a decent spot to begin. Lemongrass oil. A mouthwash containing a modest quantity of lemongrass oil can bring down bacterial plaque levels. A wash with 0.25% lemongrass oil can lessen plaque better than chlorhexidine gluconate, a demonstrated enemy of bacterial flush used to treat gum inflammation. A lemongrass oil wash is speedy and simple to make. However, it tends to be intense. Basically, add a few drops of lemongrass oil to some water, wash for 30 seconds, and spit. You might need to attempt only one drop from the start and increment on the off chance that it doesn't irritate the covering of your mouth. Baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate can be a compelling fixture to use on your teeth and gums. It neutralizes unsafe mouth microscopic organisms, and it likewise kills acids and causes aggravation and harm to tooth surfaces. If that wasn't already enough, sodium bicarbonate separates stains and can lighten up teeth. You can make a glue just barely of baking soda with water and tenderly cleaning on your teeth. This slurry gives you one technique for cleaning. However, including other enemies of bacterial compounds is significant. Guava leaf mouthwash. Guava leaves have proven to be very effective for oral hygiene purposes. It is beneficial in reducing gum inflammation and freshening up the breath. Get your hands on some guava leaves and crush them. Add the crushed leaves to a cup of boiling water, then simmer it for 15 minutes. Lastly, swish the lukewarm water off the leaves for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Repeat it a few times and get healthy gums. Coconut oil pulling. Coconut oil is prominently known to contain lauric acid and anti-inflammatory benefits. Coconut oil pulling can also whiten the teeth and freshen the breath. All you have to do is put 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in your mouth. Swish for 15 to 20 seconds, and be careful not to touch the oil on your throat. Then rinse your mouth and brush your teeth usually.